Hi, I'm Kay. Today's we have a special guest from Korea. Zoom name is Dreamwalker, but his name is Park JAICHANG. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for hello everyone. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Before moving to the interview, can you introduce yourself about your
Okay,
background? Yeah,
my name is Jae-chang Park. I'm known as a dream worker.
Dreamwalker.
And now I live in South Korea.
Mhm.
I'm an organizer of Flutter Seoul, Flutter developers in Korea,
Mhm.
and also an organizer of GDG
Mhm.
Korea, which is a
Mhm.
Google developer community.
Mhm.
And these days, I've been work on Flutter app development.
Uh,
I'm also involved in development related to
mm.
AI
AI.
and in RAG,
Mm.
retrieval augmented generation. So
Mm. Mm.
recently, I have an interesting open source project
Oh, nice.
like a rank chain, Llama index, and
Uh,
Flutters,
uh-huh.
React Natives, and
Mm.
I really enjoy contribute to it. And
Mm-hmm.
but while I doing contribute code improvements,
Mm-hmm.
I primarily participate in
Mm-hmm.
open source projects through
Mm.
translation contributions from English to Korean or Japanese.
I see. Are you also an organizer of Golang conference or something?
Yeah, Korean
So,
Korea.
yeah,
So
yeah. So, do you use Golang as well
yeah,
as Flutter?
yeah, of course.
Mm.
I'm using Go languages or Go programming
Mm.
languages
Mm.
in my developments, app and
Mm.
or applications.
Mm.
It's very good languages.
Mm.
So in your server development or
Mm.
it's
So,
we call it backend. Yeah,
mm.
it's very useful languages.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I know. So, how many programming languages can you code?
Recently, I used the
Mm-hmm.
Dart
That,
and
yeah, of
Dart,
course.
yeah,
Yeah, of
of
course.
course Dart
Okay.
and Go language and
Mm.
recently
Mm.
Python and recently I learned the Rust
Mm.
language
So
because
first of your engineer career, what did you start at first? What language did you start at first?
I started in C programming languages,
C
and
programming. Okay.
languages in my
Mm-hmm.
university student.
Okay. So did you major in computer science in your university?
My major is
Uh,
electronic engineering. Yeah,
Electronic engineering.
so
Okay.
I make some and design the
Mm.
circuits and
Mm.
make some microprocessors
Mm.
like this.
I see. It is not computer science.
Yeah, I'm not a computer science. I'm an
Okay.
electronic engineer. Yeah.
I see. So after you graduating university, you got being a software engineer, right?
Yeah, actually, my laboratory,
Mm-hmm.
university laboratories,
Oh,
starting with mobile application development. Right.
okay. Mm.
So at the time, I developed some Android app.
Mm.
So I started studying
Mm.
Java
Java. Okay.
and Eclipse.
Eclipse. Okay.
Yes.
I know.
So so
Mm.
I started
Uh-huh.
mobile application development.
So I will go to the next question. When and why did you start Flutter?
Actually, I have a big interest
Mm.
in Google technologies.
Google technology,
Yeah, so there
like
are
Firebase, GCP.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as there are many open source projects
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and programming languages
Mm.
and frameworks being
Mm.
developed is
Mm.
now. Thinking back to when I first encountered in Flutter, it
Mm.
was in
Mm.
2015.
2015. Oh,
Yeah, it's
very.
almost
Oh.
9 years
Mm.
ago. At the time, I was developing Android apps in my
Mm.
repertory.
Mm.
And one day I came across a video of the
Mm.
Dart Developer Summit
Mm. But that's
2015.
developer.
Yeah, on YouTube. At the time, it was a project called Sky, and not
Sky.
Flutter. Yes, I think I just was, oh, this is interesting. Yeah,
Oh,
just it, that's it.
that's it. That's
Yeah.
it. Okay.
About 1 year
Mm-hmm.
later,
Mm-hmm.
I watched the videos the
Mm.
same that the Dart Developer
Okay.
Summit to
Mm.
12, 16,
16.
1 years later
Mm.
on YouTube,
Mm.
where where they introduced
Mm.
Flutter.
At that time, Sky
Yeah,
turned into Flutter, right?
yeah. Sky is
Mm.
actually Flutter is a open source project. So
Mm.
inside Google.
Yeah, besides Google.
So first is they called project name is Sky.
Ah, I see.
Actually, Sky is remained the Flutter project, so in
Mm.
engine project.
Ah, I see.
So yeah,
Mhm.
so you can you visit some Flutter GitHubs.
Mm.
You can find Sky, and you can
Mm.
find engine repository.
Mm.
There
I
you can find
Mm.
Sky folder.
Sky as well. Ah, I see. You got interested in Flutter from very early stage.
Very early stage,
Yeah,
yeah.
for me, I started Flutter from 2019 or 2018. So what happened after 2006?
Actually, implementing material design in Android at the time, very challenging. It's very
Yeah.
difficult for developers. However, in the videos in Dutch Developer Summit, I saw how easily and quickly they could build it with Flutter.
Yeah.
So I was also shocked, yeah, really shocked when I learned about Flutter, the hard reload features. The hard reload is very awesome features. Actually, Android OS to reflect, update XML in the
XML.
UI, yeah, using
Yeah.
XML file.
I used to do that.
You had to restart to build from the beginning as the app grow larger, the build time increase proportionally.
Right.
It can vary depending on the hardware performance and the size of the app. For example, you might have to wait a few minutes to modify and reflect change to item XML of the recycle view. Flutter, therefore, is called list view.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really surprised to see Flutter updates the UI just one step actions.
Hot reload.
Hard
Right.
reload, yeah. So
Right.
I found the UI update speed very incredibly fast compared to Android build times. This is really answers why I started using Flutter.
I see. Yeah, okay. So you got interested in from very early stage, and when did you actually use Flutter as your job?
Yeah, it's so I'm almost to 2017 or 16.
2017? Oh, still very early. Yeah.
Yeah, I jumped right to start create a Flutter project by building account apps that.
Okay.
But at the time there weren't many reference materials available. I only relied on the official document. So
At first, there are not so many documents. Only official documents. Yeah.
Yeah, only official.
Yeah.
I also interested in declarative UI.
Declarative UI.
Yeah. When I was developing Android apps back then, I often used Anko. It's called Anko.
Anko.
Anko, yeah. Now we can use JPEG Compose instead.
Okay.
At the time, we can use Anko.
Oh, I see.
Anko is the declarative UI
Declarative UI.
for Android system.
I see.
Before we released Flutter 1.0
1.0.
in 2018. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I created various app prototypes and conduct validations and testing. A lot of testing, yeah, to see if they could be used in real applications.
Yeah.
For example, look into using Flutter with Bluetooth or BLE and NFC or sensor data in the IoT field. And I applied a real product in 2019. I started using Flutter app in real product.
Real product.
Yeah.
Is it company you're working, right?
Yeah, at that time I developed robotics.
Okay.
Control applications. I development and
I see.
robotic control application for robot controls. So this mobile application, so I built in Flutter.
Oh, nice. That's first your application still working.
Yeah, still working.
Out there. Oh, still working. Nice.
Yeah, still working. So it's a very Flutter open source, which is great. Which is great because there are no license fee.
Yeah, right.
When you're developing embedded system, right? Robotics, IoT, or your display embedded systems, or like kiosk.
Oh,
No license fee. Flutter is open source.
Yeah. So in my image, Flutter with BLE is a little bit difficult because I think at that time you started, maybe you should code some Java code as well to connect to the BLE from Flutter, right?
I use the platform channel, so
Yeah.
yeah, so I use the Java. Actually, that time works not good.
Okay.
A lot of these
That's good.
connections,
Mm-hmm.
it's occurred to a lot of these connections and it's unstable.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a very hard time
Yeah.
and hard work?
So can I go to the next question? What do you do for Flutter community, like
Mhm.
presentations, blogs, videos in Korea and Japan and other worlds?
First, the Flutter community in
Mm-hmm.
Korea
Mm-hmm.
was created in 2019.
Mm.
At the time, it was operating under the name Flutter Korea,
Mm-hmm.
but later it spread into regional community like Flutter Seoul,
Mm-hmm.
Songdo, and Incheon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm part of Flutter Seoul community as an
Mm.
organizer,
Mm.
so I mainly plan and organize meetup
Mm-hmm.
and events for
Nice.
Flutter developers in Korea, as
Oh.
well as for anyone interested in Flutter.
Nice. So are you first person to organize a community in Korea?
Actually, I'm not the first person.
You're not the first person.
Yes, but I entered
Mm-hmm.
Flutter Seoul,
Mm.
Flutter Korea
Uh,
in around 2012, 2021, or almost that
maybe,
time.
okay. And then you became one of the organizers.
Yeah, that's right.
How many organizers are there in Flutter Korea? Flutter
Now,
Seoul.
Flutter Seoul, now Flutter Seoul, yeah.
Not Flutter Seoul.
Let me see.
Okay, yeah.
Let me see.
About it. Okay.
Now about 10 person, 10 organizers,
10 organizers.
Flutter Seoul, yeah.
So how often do you organize Flutter Seoul? Is that once a month or once a half a year?
Yeah, in this year,
Mm-hmm.
we often meet up, so once a month
Once a month or
from July.
from July. Okay.
And
So July, August, September.
when we organize Future Flutter and conference,
Mm-hmm.
and we translate other books or other contributions, and we operate with the purpose for learning and share knowledges
I
and
see.
making connections.
Mm-hmm.
So I organize events accordingly.
So I got curious because I'm an organizer of FlutterNinjas. So what kind of venue do you use in Seoul? Is that company space, or some paid meeting room or something like that?
Yeah, paid meeting room also. Yeah, and we use all type of meeting rooms. We pay the meeting rooms, or we rent some company meeting rooms. But we usually using Google Startup Campus.
Google Startup Campus. Is that free? Free to use?
Yeah, but it can rent some like Google technologies.
Yeah.
So we can rent them for free.
Yeah. If your event is related to Google technology, you can use that free.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, that's nice. So how about in Japan? Do you do something in Japan? Not only organizers, like presenter. I know you are already spoke in Flutter Kaigi and FlutterNinjas as well.
Yeah, sometimes I give presentations.
Yeah, that's
in
nice.
Japan. So I love to share my technologies. So I visit Japan and talking or Flutter sessions or another sessions.
Nice. And Droid Kaigi as well.
Yeah, but I really value this connection among our community or developers. So when I go to Japan, I have learned a lot of things and I have to get a lot of motivation.
I see. So, do you go to another country apart from Japan? Basically, only in Japan.
Now only in Japan.
In Japan. So you give presentation in Japan and in Korea.
Yeah,
Right?
but if I have chance, I talk on other countries like Taiwan, Americas, USA.
Yeah.
If I have chance.
Have you ever submit any to any conference apart from Japan and Korea, like Taiwan and US? Have you submitted your proposal?
Yeah, I have
countries?
been. Yeah, in this year I submit my Flutter sessions and FlutterCon or FlutterCon USA,
Okay.
another Flutter conference. But but
it has not selected.
Yeah,
so
it's not
far.
selected. Yeah,
So far.
so far, yeah.
I see. So I got curious about your Japanese language skill. You even speak Japanese in some Flutter online conference in Japan. So why are you able to speak Japanese? How did you learn Japanese?
When I middle school.
Middle school?
Student,
Oh.
I visited Japan for the first
Okay.
time. At that time, I need to talk to some Japanese people, but I can't speak Japanese. So back to Korea, I studied Japanese and I'm watching some Japanese drama and Japanese movie, and I study Japanese. My first aim to study Japanese for travel. Yeah, just for travel, but keep study Japanese, and I got a JLPT.
JLPT.
Yeah,
Examination for Japanese
yeah, for
language.
Japanese. Yeah.
So did you get some JLPT grade like N3, N2?
Yeah, now I have a N2.
N2, nice.
N2, yeah, but I usually try to get N1.
N1. I heard N1 is very difficult, way more difficult than N2.
Yeah, I heard that Japanese people also difficult N1.
Yeah, I heard that too. But how about N2? N2 is not so difficult for Japanese people. Is that easy?
I think it's N2 is high school levels.
High school.
I think yeah, it's not very difficult to get a N2.
So you studied Japanese for over 10 years, right? How old are you now? By the way, how old are you now? I don't know how old are you?
And now it's 33.
33?
Yeah, 33.
Same. Okay, same with me.
33. So
in the middle school, 14 years old.
Almost 15. 15 years old, 10 years old, 10 years, and not only Japanese. I'm studying Chinese or Russians and another language. I love to learn another languages.
Nice.
So I study Kiev.
Also, can you even speak Russian and Chinese?
And now I can speak only hello, hi level.
Hi level.
or almost elementary school level.
So you speak Korean and Japanese and English, 3 languages, right?
Yeah, it's so.
Still amazing.
No. Thank you.
Nice. So can I go to the next question? Is Flutter popular in Korea? So how can you say if you compare with Flutter with other framework like React Native and Swift, Java, Kotlin?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, sure. And Flutter is currently one of the most popular framework in Korea. Yeah, I think.
You think? Okay. Yeah. Many companies started to use Flutter.
Yeah, exactly. It's a lot of company now using Flutter. The number of books related to Flutter is gradually increasing.
Oh, nice.
And there are about 30 Flutter books available on the market right now.
Oh, nice.
In
That's
comparison,
nice.
there are only around 2 books for Jetpack Compose or SwiftUI.
Oh.
It's
How about React Native?
React Native is the same or Jetpack
Same.
Compose,
Two
right?
or three
Yeah,
books.
2 or 3 books.
Eh,
Recently, a lot of high school students and college students are using Flutter when they create project or hackathon.
Nice.
I also know many startups company are developing service using Flutter in Korea.
Nice.
Initially, backend is a importance. Backend developers or server developers like AI engineers often choose Flutter when they wanna build the apps quickly.
Yeah. Interesting.
And also I've heard that Flutter apps are also widely used for business to business B2B
B2B.
products. So
B2B SaaS product.
yeah, SaaS or SaaS products. Yeah. And
nice. So Flutter Web is also used in Korea.
Yeah, it's used Flutter webs like admin page or photo booth app, admin systems or CMS. Yeah, often use it.
Oh, nice. So it sounds more popular than Japan.
Oh, really?
I think, yeah, Japan is also I think very popular. Flutter is very popular in Japan, but nowadays React Native and other native languages going up again. Yeah.
Actually, it's hard to compare a Flutter with other frameworks, but I think both Swift and Kotlin are great languages, and React Native is a good framework too. So I think in the end, program languages are just tool.
Yeah, right.
For creating something.
Yeah, right.
Creating something. So there are so many languages and frameworks out there in the world.
Yeah.
So many languages. So
right.
I said you can think the framework as a meal kit, like a meal kit. Sometimes I use examples from drawing or architectures to explain this. And the framework, when we cook, for example, when we cook, we use various tools.
Yeah.
Knife or slide, and which can represent programming languages. Is tool. So one of the most fundamentals and time-consuming tasks in cooking is prepares the ingredient. You can think of the framework as something like that. Take care of this and time-consuming task. When using tools. So we just need to add prepared ingredients.
Yeah. Right.
And use them to cook or dishes. So Flutter as one of the many meal kit.
Yeah.
However, you can when you're developing apps with Flutter, there are many time when you need native features. So Flutter developers, that's why learning languages like Kotlin, Java, and Swift might be necessary. And one of the advantage of Flutter is that it used the Dart languages, which was created by Google. Since Flutter is open source project by Google, and this interaction is very awesome. So interaction between them creates synergies. So also features like hard reload and multi-platform support, important benefit as other frameworks.
Yeah. Right. So getting back to questions, so if you're in Korea, can you get many Flutter jobs? If you are a developer in Korea, can you get Flutter jobs easily, or it's still very hard?
It's getting a little spicy question. So I heard that it's very hard.
Very hard.
And now it's not easy now.
Not easy.
Because actually a lot of Flutter jobs. There are a lot of Flutter jobs, but the company they're not hiring in now and next year. And continue next year. So in Korea, Flutter job is a little hard.
So some Korean developer consider to go to Japan or go to another country to get a job.
But they starting native development or like they start to study Android or iOS.
Yeah. So you should study not only Flutter but also other native frameworks as well to get job opportunities.
I think you should to get a Flutter job in Korea. You need to run. Yeah, you should need to run some native features.
I see. Yeah. I think in Japan, some people only focus on Flutter that and they can get a job. But so sound quite easy. But maybe 2021 to 23, you can get Flutter job in Japan very easily, quite easily. But now in this 2024, it's get harder than before.
I think it's really similar in Korea.
Okay. It's similar.
Yeah, similar.
Because it already takes a time since Flutter started. So nowadays there are many Flutter developers out there. So it's harder for beginners for Flutters to get a job. With only Flutter knowledge. Nowadays, Flutter developer also should learn other languages, other frameworks as well.
And how many Flutter job in Japan compare a native app developers?
Let's say Swift job is 100. If Swift job is 100, Flutter job is 20 to 30.
20 to 30. Almost same.
I'm saying. Okay.
Same in Korea. Yeah.
I see. It's interesting. Good to know that. So going to the next topic, next question. So about FlutterNinjas. You came to FlutterNinjas 2024. This June. So what did you feel about FlutterNinjas? Is that some difference from other conferences?
Yeah, sure. This year, FlutterNinjas was unforgettable and amazing experience for me. When I went to Japan for FlutterNinjas this year, I was really looking forward to chance to meet Flutter developers and the energy. The conference was incredible. I could really feel the energy from the organizers or staff. And they were very welcoming to everyone. So it's very kindly. Very thankful. And the locations is a venue. Venue of the conference is also great. I love the view of the and Rainbow Bridge. From the venues. And I was also really impressed by the fact it was a global conference, especially for Flutter developers. I think it's the first time in Japan a global conference.
That's right.
Yeah, so it's very impressive. And I was so thankful and honored to participate as a speaker.
Thank you.
And, it talks this year I present on how to implement AI-related rank system using LangChain. With Dart, and I also happy to have the opportunity to share my knowledge. But it has been a while since present in English. I think I was really nervous. And compared to other conferences in Korea or other countries, I appreciate that there are enough free time between sessions. Which made it easy to network and connections and a lot of talk. And it's some snacks.
It's a snack.
Japanese snacks or global snacks. It's very appreciated. Actually,
good to know.
Conference that lasts for 2 days.
2 days.
It's a lot of required a lot of more preparation, prepares a lot of things. That time, I think that the organizer really work hard. Work hard. So from an organizer perspective, I found very motivating and motivations, and overall, it was fantastic opportunity to run, network, get inspired.
Thank you so much. So as you said, we focus on communicating in the conference. Not only presentation, but also we are focusing on to communicate with developers from all around the world. So this is a very, very rare opportunity for Japanese people as well. And that's my thought. To focus on communicating with people was finally promising. I think.
Actually, we talk about talking keep English, so but is the participant talk with English is not only Japanese. So I think it's easy to connect to each other's,
Yeah.
but it's a little challenges, a
Yeah,
little
it's challenging.
English
Yeah.
challenge, yeah, language
Yeah,
challenge.
yeah.
But it was so fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So do you wanna come to FlutterNinjas 2025 as well?
Yeah, if I have chance.
It will be on May 29th and
Oh,
30th.
that's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Yes, the weather is good, I think.
Yeah, weather is good.
Oh,
So CFP is open now, so you can submit your CFP again
oh, oh, I got
to
it. Okay, okay.
2025.
Well, I got it. Yeah, I was all met.
So, final question. What are you gonna do from 2025 and future for your career, for your interest?
Yeah, that is important questions for me. From community
Mm-hmm.
perspective, community perspective, I'm currently planning next year roadmap, actually. So I think we are organize regular meetups and some informal meetups. So the regular meetups will be held once a month, and informal meetups like larger event, like conference. We also hope to host Flutter Global Conference in Korea.
Oh,
Yeah, someday.
oh, someday.
Someday.
Not in 2025. Someday.
If you can.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I hope, yeah, conference in Korea.
Yeah, if you do global conference in Korea, I will help you.
Oh, it's very helpful. Yeah, very helpful. Thank you. Every 2 months or 2 months, and additionally, every 2 months, we grant offer speaking opportunities to the attendees of our regular meetups. So anyone interested in Flutter can share their stories.
Nice.
We also want to strengthen the networking among Flutter developers, and we could lead to some job connections as well. And initially, we plan hackathons and code labs and Flutter game challenges using Flame. So currently, we have over 1,000 members communicating on Discord. So
Nice.
next year, we plan to make channels even more active.
Nice.
Personally,
Okay.
personally, and now I'm really interested in developing AI system. Instead of focusing on the large language model themselves, I'm more interested in human level intelligence. So,
Okay.
yeah, so I have interest developing service to make a good use of LLMs. Actually,
Nice.
the pace of the AI development is very quickly. Happen very quickly. So every day, dozens of and even hundreds of research papers and many new models are created.
Right.
Now, yeah, as we speak now. So and next year, in my opinions, AI agent system
Agent. Yeah.
is that will attract to even more attention next year.
Yeah. Right.
And in the future, so on-device LLM and on-device AI will get a lot of attention. These AI services that run your devices on your hand and or your home.
Yeah.
So it seems like AI technology is big integrated in many household appliances these days. For example, things like TV or refrigerators and washing machines is applied or AI.
Yeah.
So to encourage your user to use AI, we need app to work with various device and platforms. So I think developing them with Flutter would be a great idea.
Nice. Not only smartphones, but also TV, a fridge, washing machine.
Refrigerators and washing machine. This platform is embedded system, so Flutter embedded is also good. Great. So it's Flutter is very good synergies with AI.
Because of Google ecosystems, they can use Gemini.
Gemini, His on-device model is Gemma. Gemma is running in your smartphones or Raspberry Pi, and so
Oh,
on.
that's nice. Oh, that's
I keep starting to
mm,
I keep to learn about AI or
mm,
AI agent systems. Yeah.
mm.
So I focus next year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. That's great. So thank you for today. It was a good interview.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
It's honor. I appreciate. Yeah.
You explained about Flutter advantage very well. And yeah, we can hope Flutter futures so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I expect to see you FlutterNinjas
Uh,
2025.
let's do that. Yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah.
But
Thank you so much.
I
Okay.
think that
Mm-hmm.
next year I think it would be great to have more informations about Flutter job opportunity in Japan. So I'm sure that I'm not just me, but others attending from overall worldwide people would also be curious about the Flutter development job market.
I hope so. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So thank you for today's special guest was Park Jae-chan. Thank you so much. Do you have any advertisement or do you want to say something to audience in this YouTube channel?
Coding and keep Flutter.
Keep coding and keep Flutter and keep
And
AI.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for
Thank you.
watching to this interview. I enjoyed talking today.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much. Bye.
See you. Thank you, and see you again.
See you. That's it.
It's okay?
It's okay. Yeah, it's
okay.
amazing.
Cool.
Yeah, it's great. It was great interview. Nice. Yeah, this is great. This is gonna be great contents in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And it was so fun.
Actually, next year we plan keep active more YouTube podcast.
Oh.
Now we prototype.
Oh, nice.
We
Nice.
plan to active some podcast if you have time.
No, of course, I will join.
Yeah,
your podcast.
Can we invite you?
yeah. Of course, I can join.
And or
did you already start podcast or you will start?
We already
started.
Started a podcast, but it's informal. Yeah.
I know. Okay.
Yeah, informal content. So we find some proto developers. But it's really hard to find some talk with podcast.
Is it Korean language or English?
Based on Korean, but
Korean, okay.
It's not restriction of languages.
Okay.
And if we have a chance, we invite some conference hours for sessions. If we have some cost and money.
Okay.
But online is okay.
Online
is okay.
But yeah, Korea is not so far, so it's not so expensive, I think.
So
actually, I haven't been to Korea in my entire life. Yeah, so I'm so interested in going to Korea and the conference as well and the food. But I love Korean food.
Food.
Like kimchi.
Yeah.
I love kimchi. So.
Kimchi is a really spicy for me.
Yeah. I love spicy food, so kimchi is my favorite.
Well, thanks for today. Yeah, really
thanks.
Thanks and appreciate it.
ありがとう。Thank you.